Darkness brings in dullness, and in this darkness, just a small firefly creates hope. In our lives, this hope is created by electricity. Without electricity, our lives would definitely come to a standstill. Ever wonder what really makes a MacBook different from a PC? How the graphics on your laptop or smartphone really work? Despite the countless uses of computers we have in our everyday life, we all share a few set of codes. Once you crack these codes, the power to change the world lies at your fingertips. Ever wonder how things operate in this world? Engineers have devised a way to propel one of the most iconic forms of transportation down the street. An Aquila Pro is an amazing example of laborious fine-tuning of mechanical engineering. No matter how beautiful these structures may appear, but before they are built, the designs are checked and ensured if they can support their load and withstand external forces of wind and rain. These validations require a huge amount of technical expertise and skilled effort. To get informed about such technologies, the source of knowledge should be brighter than the brightest. One such knowledge hub is right in front of us.
Anjuman College of Engineering and Technology, managed by Anjuman Hamia-e-Islam, was established in the year 1999. Anjuman Hamia-e-Islam was established on 23rd December 1888 by Sir Syed Ahmed for spreading modern education amongst Muslims, which is now popularly known as Anjuman. After completing 125 years of success, today Anjuman has 20 educational institutions under its wings and around 8,300 students are educating themselves here.
It is my honor to have been associated with ACET since its inception. Our college was conceptualized as a medium for imparting excellent technical education laced with ethics and moral values so that we can provide a better platform and bring out honest, dynamic, confident and competent individuals who are ready to take the responsibility of nation building. I am very delighted that what began as an idea, a dream, is now an acknowledged institution of fame for total quality learning.
Anjuman is proud to have a staff strength of around 573 faculty members who put in all their efforts to give the best education to the students studying here, making them the pillars of success for this institution. At ACET, we believe in providing value-based technical education to the younger generation and to enable the students gain more knowledge. The campus is adorned with a furnished library which has more than 23,576 technical and reference books. The Anjuman family not only believes in education but also believes in building a clean and strong society. Civil engineers make our daily lives possible by bringing infrastructure from the drawing board into reality, whether in the shape of bridges, tunnels, high-rise buildings, transportation networks, or the plumbing system for our cities. Civil engineers help solve many of the problems for our evolving world. Being the youngest department in our college does not hamper this branch in performing its best. It is well equipped with modern and highly advanced laboratories that allow our students to secure top positions. Think about electricity. What does it look like? How is it made? how does it get from where it's made to your home so it can power your lights and household devices? The Electrical Engineering Department has created a mark in the development of technology. Here, we have fully furnished labs enabling the students to get to use their theoretical knowledge into practical training. We believe in the overall development of our students, and therefore we arrange extracurricular activities so that their managerial, administrative, social skills are well developed.
Hi, I'm Sharik Beg. Under the banner of Anjuman College of Engineering and Technology, there are 5 main forums belonging to the 5 departments, like the Extreme Forum from the Electronics and Telecommunication, Advanced from the Computer Science and Engineering, ACES from Civil, Phoenix from Electrical, and MESA from the Mechanical Department. These forums are solely responsible for conducting the various technical and non-technical events throughout the academic session. Also, every forum publishes its yearly newsletter, which throws light upon the achievements of the students of the particular department. I would like to conclude that the objective behind the formation and development of a forum is to encourage the innovation and creativity among the students who are enrolled in the graduation programs.
The Department of Computer Sciences and Engineering was established in the year 2002 with an infrastructure that facilitates our students to be a part with the daily advancing technologies. Our labs are well equipped with licensed software, and our department has signed the Microsoft Academic Alliance program, which gives access to all the latest softwares of Microsoft. The Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering has proven its ability to impart quality education each day. The department takes pride in having sophisticated machines that enables our students to attain professional training. We also have our own fully equipped computer lab with internet facility that keeps our students well connected to the upcoming technologies. Department of Mechanical Engineering has completed 15 years of imparting practical knowledge to potential engineers. We boast of well-equipped labs that makes it easier for us to give hands-on practical experience to the students. We constantly try to build the personality of our students. Therefore, besides the classroom teaching, our learning methods include PowerPoint presentations, seminars, industrial visits, and industry-based projects that helps our students to develop their confidence to face the challenges of the world. Anjuman College of Engineering and Technology encourages its students to be physically and mentally healthy. Keeping this thought in mind, we organize sports and cultural activities throughout the year. This enables the students to keep a fresh outlook towards their goals.
Hello everyone, my name is Shahrukh Salman. I am the sports coordinator of Anjuman College of Engineering and Technology. ACET has always provided its students and overall development opportunities. ACT organizes Engineers Cup every year, in which engineering colleges from Vidarbha region participate in cricket, football, volleyball and tug of war. I am an international player of tug of war. I have won gold medal at international level championship. ACT has always promoted its students to participate in various sports activities, and hence we have emerged as a champion not only at national level but also at international level. The sport department of a college has provided facilities to the students, and hence we are participating in more than 40 events in inter-university level and also 27 events in inter-college level.
The year 2014 brought a stream of industrial tours, seminars, summer camps to flow in ACET. Our students were exposed to many events that made them aware of the practical scenarios arising in the industry. It was a proud moment for ACET to host the ICAET 2014 International Conference on Advances in Engineering and Technology at Sun and Sand Hotel, Nagpur. This conference received tremendous participation with international level industry and academic experts. An ACETian always remain connected with us. We like to act as a link between the students, alumni and the employment community, and therefore a training and placement cell has been constituted here. This cell assists different companies in appointing candidates as per their requirements.
Our college provides us a very integrated environment, and the best thing that I like about our college is the extracurricular activities that are promoted here. For example, we have Celestial, which is a huge extravagant fest in our college exclusively for us students. It has activities ranging from dance, singing, fashion shows, paper presentations, debates, etc. etc. That really helps us bring out the talent in us. Apart from that, we've had a lot of exposure in the professional world. A lot of people have communication problems, and our management has realized that. And because of that, we have aptitude and communication development programs in our schedules, and they are provided to us by experts. Now that has really helped a lot of my friends clear interviews. So finally, I'd like to say that while studies is given a great priority over here, personality development is also given an equal weightage, and that truly helps us. What more can I say?
Engineering stimulates our mind. We build our dreams into future and give them a new attire. Remember, you are the creator of your own destiny, and in Anjuman College of Engineering and Technology, you bring your future into reality. We are having UG as well as PG courses running in our college, and considering the academic performance scenario, the DTE has ranked college first position in the university. Grasping knowledge is the most sweetest fruits in our life. Thus, we have here the most experienced faculty members. All the staff members are highly qualified and they are masters in their own fields. The academic performance is the best method to judge any institute, and our college ranks first in the results as well. Each and every batch comes out with 100% results. Regular lectures are conducted from morning 10 and special attention is given to the weak students. Our faculty members are ever ready to help us in all the doubts that we bring to them. We have well-equipped laboratories with all the new latest gadgets and equipments. Thus, we can say that in Anjuman College, we come here and we gather and we create a new destiny for all the engineers of the world.
It gives great pleasure to the ACET family in providing high-quality education to potential engineers who will enable to build a better society tomorrow. Our students are our identities, and we take honor in accomplishing their dreams like we would fulfill ours. ACET, a nest that incubates its students with warmth of education and wings of success.